Yo, put the headphones on, right now. I'm not asking. I need you to listen, because what I'm about to show you, it breaks the rules. All of them. We all saw the headlines last week, right? JWST finds bright object. The news anchors laughed it off as a supernova. But they lied to you. I dug into the raw spectral data from the Webb Telescope's JADES GSZ15 survey and found this isn't a star. It's not a galaxy. It's a puncture wound in reality. We have officially found the antimatter demon. We found a white hole. And worse, it's moving towards a black hole. Today, we are simulating the impossible. Black hole versus white hole. The eater versus the creator. If these two touch, it's not an explosion, it's a delete button for the universe. Comment glitch down below if you think NASA is hiding the raw images. Let's get 50,000 comments or I'm leaking the classified spectrographs. Let's go. Okay, before we get to the white nightmare, we have to respect the OG villain, the black hole, the cosmic grave. You think you know what these things are? No. You don't. It's 2025, and the new measurements on Phoenix A just dropped, and my brain is officially leaking out of my ears. Look at this! That's our Sunday cute, right? Adorable. Now, look at Phoenix A. This thing is 100 billion times the mass of the sun. If you replaced our sun with this black hole, Earth wouldn't just be swallowed. The entire solar system would fit inside its event horizon like a single grain of sand in the Grand Canyon. It is the ultimate biological horror. It doesn't just eat matter, it eats times time asterisk. If you fell in feet first, your feet would experience a different timeline than your head. You get spaghettified. That's the scientific term. You turn into a noodle of plasma screaming for eternity while the universe behind you speeds up and ends. Real talk. If you had to choose burning alive or spaghettification, what are you picking? Comment burn or noodle right now. I'm reading all of them. But here's the catch. Black holes are simple. They take. They are the minus sign of the universe. But Newton's third law, baby. For every action, there is an opposite reaction. If there is a drain, there has to be a faucet. Enter the white hole. The white in the name? That's not hope, that's terror. A black hole is an object you can enter but never leave. A white hole is an object you can leave but never enter. Think about that. It is a region of space-time that is vomiting energy, light, and matter at the speed of light. It is the cosmic access denied. If you try to fly a ship into a white hole, you are fighting the arrow of time itself. The gamma radiation coming out of this thing would cook your DNA before you even saw it. For decades, scientists said, "Oh, galactic boss, white holes are just math, they don't exist." Then explained November 2025. Look at the redshift on this object, GNZ 99. It's not absorbing light. It's not fusing hydrogen. It is pushing matter OUT from a singular point with zero mass detected at the center. It's a glitch. It's a rupture. Imagine a bathtub drain, but instead of water going down, water's blasting up at fire hose pressure forever. Where's the water come from? Nobody knows. Some theories say a white hole is just the other side of a black hole, that everything ton 618 eats. This thing pukes out in another universe. Comment, multiverse, if you think we are the trash can of another galaxy. Serious question, are we living in the cosmic dumpster? Now, here is why I haven't slept in 3 days. The JWST didn't just find a white hole, it found a binary system. They are dancing, the Janus event. A supermassive black hole caught in the gravity of a primordial white hole. We are watching an unstoppable force meet an immovable object. Here is the physics nightmare. The black hole wants to eat everything. The white hole refuses to be eaten. When they collide and according to the trajectory, in the early universe, they already did. It creates a paradox. 1. Infinite density versus infinite pressure. The black hole tries to compress the white hole. The white hole exerts infinite outward pressure. The event horizon war. The black hole's horizon tries to overlap the white hole's horizon. Science says this is impossible. But the telescope sees the afterglow. It looks like a scar across the cosmic microwave background. If this happens, it doesn't just make a big boom. It deletes gravity. It shatters the laws of thermodynamics. Hit that like button if you want me to simulate the collision. If we get to 100K likes, I will pay a physics PhD to build a custom render of this event for the next video. Do it. The point of view simulation. Falling in nay. Let's merge them. Right here, right now. You are floating between them. On your left, the abyss, the black hole. On your right, the blinder, the white hole. The gravity of the black hole pulls you in. You are falling at 99% light speed, but the white hole is right behind it. As you cross the event horizon of the black hole, you expect darkness. But wait, the white hole is crashing into it. The singularities touch. Boom. Space-time unzips. You aren't dead, you aren't alive, you are everywhere at once. The information paradox is solved because information no longer exists. You have become pure chaos. This is what the JWST saw. A wound where the laws of physics gave up and quit. We are tiny. We are dust. The fact that this times exists out there implies that our stability is a lie. We are walking on thin ice over a deep, dark ocean, and monsters are swimming beneath us. The Janus event proves the universe isn't a machine, it's a monster, and it's hungry. I need you to do 3 things before the signal cuts out. 1, subscribe. We are the only channel talking about the Janus event. The mainstream media is scared. I am not. Join the resistance. Share this video. Send it to your group chat. Caption it, "We are doomed." Freak them out. 3, check the pinned comment. I found the coordinates. If you have a telescope, I posted where to look. Next week, we are investigating the dark forest signal that came from the collision. You do not want to miss that. Stay paranoid, stay watching, and remember, the void is staring back.